Hey guys, I'm Lulu. Welcome back to the BONOSS wheel spacer on the official channel. So are 13mm wheel spacers safe for Range Rover back wheels?
It is typical to install wheel spacers on all four wheels. This keeps the same proportional from front to rear. Of course, we can install wheel spacers for the back only. That depends on your needs. But it must be noticed that the spacer cannot be installed on only one side. It is necessary to ensure that the spacer you install for the left or right are in the same thickness and data, so as to avoid damaging the balance of the vehicle.
Wheel spacers are just automobile accessories installed between the assembly hub and the wheel. The wheel lugs apply a clamping force to secure the spacer and the wheel to the vehicle hub. As long as you use high-quality wheel spacers and install them properly, they are safe. BONOSS is always concerned about the safety. We use forged aluminum alloy 6061T6 material. Modern CNC machining by 0.02mm tolerance. The multi-stage hub-centric design fits a wheel hub better. So that's all for today's video. If you have any questions about BONOSS wheel spacers, please leave your comments below. See you next time. Bye bye.